A year ago today, I told my doctor at the hospital I was staying at I would rather be dead than ever recover. Today, the opposite is true. I thought that if I recovered, I'd lose control. I'd be isolated, alone, a failure. I'd lose everything I worked so hard to achieve. But really, I had no control. I had no freedom. I thought recovery wasn't for me, that I was too lost a cause. But recovery's given me everything. Life is completely different. My head isn't pounding, my body isn't aching from pain, and anxiety and rules don't control my life. Recovery's given me the chance to live again, to love again, chances I thought I'd given up forever. Recovery has allowed me to pursue my dreams, to make true and meaningful connections with those I love, to reconnect with people I thought I'd lost forever. Gaining weight saved my life. Eating saved my life. I saved my own life with the help of kind and compassionate people. If you're suffering from an eating disorder, you deserve recovery.